In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion page public. This process can seem a bit daunting if you're just starting out, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're confident and clear on how to share your Notion creations with the world. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Notion. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the page that you wish to make public. It might be a workspace you've meticulously crafted, a project plan you're ready to share, or even a personal journal that you find inspiring and want others to benefit from. After you've opened the desired page, look for the Share option. You'll typically find this button on the top right corner of the page. It's represented by a partially shaded square with an outward arrow. Clicking this button will open a sharing menu, which is central to publishing your page. In the sharing menu, you'll see a list of options. Here, you need to toggle the Share to Web setting by clicking it. What this does is make your Notion page accessible to anyone who has the link. It's essential to understand that turning this setting on effectively turns your page into a publicly accessible website. Therefore, think carefully about what you want to display and ensure you're not sharing any sensitive or private information. With the page now shared to the web, you have another important step, which is publishing the page. You'll find the Publish button right underneath the Share settings. Click it. This step finalizes the process and makes your page officially public. As soon as you do this, your page is live and visible to anyone with the link. Once your page is published, you might want to check back on a couple of things. Firstly, ensure the content is formatted in a reader-friendly manner. Notion allows a certain level of customization, so play around with the styles, images, or any key elements to enhance the viewer's experience. Additionally, it's good practice to copy the public link and open it in a separate browser to see exactly what others will see. And that's it. You've successfully made a Notion page public. Remember, you can always change the visibility settings back to private if you wish to retract access. Simply go back to the Share menu and toggle off the Share to Web option. This flexibility is one of the great aspects of using Notion as an organizational tool. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now ready to share your incredible Notion pages with a wider audience. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions, and feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. Happy sharing.